How does the piano produce sound? It's about as complicated as it actually looks. You see, the piano was developed over many years to become the instrument that we know today. There are many moving parts and pieces of technology all working together in order to produce sound every time you press a key. Now here at Premierepiano, we love keeping things simple. So let's break it down in order that anyone can understand. Essentially, a piano creates sound by hitting a metal string with a small hammer. The average acoustic piano has 88 of these tiny hammers, striking approximately 230 strings, which means there are a lot of moving parts in action every time you play even the simplest of songs. Now, the strings vibrate when they are struck by these tiny hammers, and these vibrations cause sound, which are amplified by the soundboard and acoustic shape of the individual piano. Now, each individual piano has an individual tone color and/or flavor, although it will be quite subtle for most untrained ears. Now, that being said, all pianos should sound relatively the same in terms of pitch. The only difference is the size, the make, and the model of the individual piano. This can easily be heard by listening to something being played on a cheap keyboard and then comparing that to a grand piano or even a professional concert hall piano playing the same piece. Now finally, there are also the 2 or 3 pedals which are located at the bottom of the instrument underneath the keys. These are effect pedals which modify the sound in subtle yet important ways. Our next blog or vlog article will discuss this in depth and teach you how to use them properly. Be sure to check it out, as well as our Premierepiano.shop course, which is the best online course for piano students, period.